Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Libra. So watch this video if you're a Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If you do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in, check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. Alright, let's see messages for Libra from now till the end of August 2021. All right, messages for Libra. Libra, you're not able to surrender something because I saw the Hanged Man card. So letting go is a problem in something. We'll see what that is. So give me messages for Libra, please. Fool card. This is beautiful. Eight of Wands, okay. Page of Pentacles is good again. Alright, let me take one more card for you guys. Alright. Yeah, Libra, a push and pull is happening in your life currently. So it's like you want to move forward, but then something is holding you back. You want to move forward and then something holds you back. So you really need to figure out whatever is bothering you. Like if you want to move forward in life, don't try to carry the burden from the past, because by doing that you will not be able to go very farther in life, right? So if you want to really move forward freely and you just want to create something new for yourself, go ahead without any burden from your past. All right, that's your message. So again, in the present energy with the Fool card, I see a lot of opportunities for you, especially if you're trying for a job or like money making opportunities like business or whatsoever. I see a lot of opportunity coming towards you, and I see that some sort of risk element will also be involved here. All right, so just pay attention to that. Your blockage currently is the Eight of Wands. So the problem is that you're trying to go at a very fast pace. It's like because so many opportunities are around you, or because you want so many opportunities in your life, you're not basically contemplating properly, and you're just trying to hush. You're trying to move fast and you're not trying to pay attention to the details, and all of this might actually cause you a problem because haste makes waste. So always remember that. Also, I see that you want things to happen at a particular speed, but the problem is things are not happening at that particular speed, and maybe that is why this push and pull is happening, right? You want things to happen quickly, and then things are not happening as quickly. And for some of you, I see that you're just trying to unnecessarily accelerate the process. You're trying to accelerate the process without paying attention to the details, and later on you will see that you missed signing a document, you did not read something properly, or you did not pay attention to a contract, or maybe somebody said something to you, you did not listen, and then you just basically get into trouble. So be very careful that you don't try to create any that sort of problem. All right, what is coming towards you in your near future is the Page of Pentacle energy. Pages are messengers, so there could be a communication coming in, and I see some sort of good news coming towards you. So yeah, if you were like applying for jobs, or if you were trying to have a business, you were trying to have negotiations or whatsoever, like whatever plunge you were taking in here to start something new, I see in respect to that some sort of good news is coming towards you, but you just need to be a little more calm and a little more patient. All right, I see that you are doing the hard work, but the only problem is that you're just trying to hasten the process, or some of you want things to happen very quickly and things are not happening as quickly. All right, so that is why you're basically losing your morale. You don't have to. All right, and yeah, like if you're trying to get a new job or a new home, or some sort of like new idea that you were hoping that should come to you and you should be able to implement it or whatsoever, I see that's going to happen. And I definitely see a job offer, like a job offer, or maybe buying a home or buying a land or whatsoever. All right, so I see good times ahead. It's just that you need to be a little more calm, a little more patient. And with the Nine of Wands, again, it's asking you not to throw in the towel just before you see the victory, because the most people who do not make up in their life are the ones who just gave up just before they could see that victory. So your message is, again, don't try to give up just before you see the light at the end of the tunnel. If you have worked till this point, hang in a little bit more. All right, so now let's see your love life specifically. So I am not here to basically do career and finance, but some people request, so I do it, but I majorly focus on relationships. So give me the present energy for Libra in love. What is happening in Libra's love life? 9 of Pentacles, you guys are single. You're single, very, very focused on money, very focused on your abundance. You were trying to take new opportunities, which is good. Some of you were also hoping to hear from someone. So it's like a message is being awaited, and I see the message is coming in. Wow, that's beautiful. But yeah, for most of you, I see you're single and you're doing well. It's like you're single and you're happy. Right now, you're content with your position. What happened in the past between Libra and their person, please? 4 of Cups. So I see there was discontentment between you and someone. It could be an earth sign, could be a water sign. I see your feelings and emotions were basically ignored. So maybe you tried approaching this person and they never really paid attention. For others of you, I also see that somebody was just there to find faults, right? Your relationship basically became a situation where a lot of fault finding was going on, right? Instead of appreciating what is good in you, this person was finding faults in you. Like they just pick up fights on petty things, or every time you try to call them, text them, they will not reply. And this person, I see the problem was not you, Libra. You might try to say things to, for cross watchers, it could be Libra as well who's doing this. So yeah, it can go either ways, and that's a common sense with tarot, right? I think everybody knows that the energy can be vice versa. All right. So 4 of Cups, I see that one person was putting in the effort and the other person was very discontent with their own self, and that is why they were bringing in the same discontent in the connection also. Like how sometimes when you're depressed in your life, you kind of screw everything, right? You just screw other people's mood, you do not appreciate other people's efforts, and all of that. So I see this person was doing the same to you. With the 5 of Cups, definitely the connection did not survive, and I see this is not like a recent thing. I see some of you, this has been going on for some 4 or 5 months, right? So this person was ignoring your feelings and emotions, and finally they broke off the connection with you. I see this person walked away. Some of you, this could be a very strong water sign that you were dealing with, or they have water-like placements in their chart, and this person behaves like a water sign. Okay, so what is this person's energy towards my Libra now? 6 of Swords. Wow. Okay. Yeah, right. Some of you, this is an air sign also. This person is contemplating as to how can they reach out to you. Like this person created so much confusion in their life by not making any decision. But some of you, this person now wants peace with you. For some of you, I also feel that this person is already, like you both are already married. All right, so that is why. And maybe a kid is involved in the situation. So walking away is very difficult for both of you because a kid is involved. And if not, even if you're dating, I see this person wants to make things good with you, right? Like I'm not saying that they will sing songs for you or whatsoever, but I see this person wants to improve the situation from what it is currently, and they want to get into calmer waters. They think that you both have been going through a lot of turmoil, and now they want to resolve things. This person might actually reach out to you, as we already saw communication is coming. Ace of Swords is again communication, so some sort of communication is coming, and it's a very fast moving communication. So expect it very soon. So it's gonna, like whatever timeline you have given to yourself that this person is going to reach out to you in this timeline, I see this person is going to reach out before that. All right, so that is that. All right, so somebody wants to clear things out with you, somebody wants to establish communication with you, somebody basically wants to win you over again. And with the 3 of Wands, I see right now they're trying to contemplate it. They are basically, you know, having a bird's eye view of the situation. They're trying to see different ways they can do it. So right now the planning is going on, and they plan on to make a move towards you. Will they do it or not? So this is the planning, but let's see. Will this person approach my Libra? Wheel of Fortune again. Give me one. Yeah, this person will. This person will. Some of you, this person is also having a hard time. Like this person thinks about you a lot. Like you are on somebody's mind a lot. Could be an air sign, could be a Sagittarius for some of you. Yeah, like this person, you know, first of all, I see this person is very unstable. So even though right now they are contemplating as to how can they reach out to you and how can they make things work, they're still thinking. So one day they feel that, yeah, tomorrow I'm going to message Libra, and then by the evening they're like, no, but what will Libra say? I don't know if Libra will accept me or not, and then they take a step back. Then the next day they think about it, then by evening they're just taking it back. So, you know, somebody might be writing, deleting messages. This person is still very, very confused as to how to reach to you, and is it a good idea or not. So this person is overthinking. Somebody is overthinking. This person might also be stalking you. You know, the problem is that this person shows to you on in reality that they don't give a fuck about you, but then this person is going crazy. They're going nuts without you. So like, what kind of a jerk is this? Anyway, this person is going to reach out to you is what I see, and it's going to happen fast. Again, Wheel of Fortune is a very fast moving card. And then Ace of Swords, definitely very fast moving. So I see communication and clarity coming in. And now, you know, like I was reading a comment in one of my video where somebody was like, I don't believe it, but if you want to tell me that he's coming after 27 years, then I'll just see to it. First of all, if you're waiting for somebody for 27 years, you are an idiot. And I don't know why are you watching tarot videos for somebody who left your life 27 years ago. Like this person might have died, or even though if they are there, they might have married already with kids. And if not, then if somebody did not turn up for you for 27 years, that person is not your person. Like how much common sense does it take to realize that? Like I don't understand people. People are crazy, you know, like they're just attention seeking whores. Like they just want attention in life. They want to comment on a tarot video and then speak shit. Like you're waiting for somebody for 27 years, the person who did not even give you any commitment, and the person just walked away. Like, are you nuts? I don't understand. So yeah, please don't make a fool of yourself, right? Alright, like these kind of readings, we do it for people who have separated recently, like maybe at max 1.5 years or something, you know, not like 5 years, 10 years. If somebody is not there in your life for 5-10 years, I think that person has already made a choice and you need to accept it. Anyway, so what's gonna be the outcome here between Libra and the person, please? Oh, new beginning. Some of you Libra, are you tempted to this person? Like seriously, like what the hell is your energy? You want to make it right with them, and you have some sort of addiction to this person with the Devil card. So you know, it's one of those situations where you know that somebody is like a little toxic, but then you like the toxicity. It's like liking a fuckboy or a fuckgirl because you know, oh my god, this is good. Addiction. You are hoping for a be all end all with this person as well. You were, and we saw that you were waiting for a message. I see some of you also have some sort of temptation or addiction to this person. Definitely. So you are also obsessed. Like you are obsessed, you're not able to let them go. Though you were trying or whatsoever, you were single, having fun, but you still kept on thinking about this person. Yes, you did. Don't tell me otherwise in the comments. You did. This is your energy. Ace of Wands, like how are you having an outcome of Ace of Wands star in the Hierophant with somebody you're not even interested? Bitch, you are interested. You are. And you were literally looking forward to this. Like it's like you were just waiting for this person to come to you. They are coming in. I see a new beginning for sure. And I see things are going to, again, you know, the star card is a slow card. So just keep in mind that even when this person is back, the connection is going to proceed very slowly over the time. Like the commitment thing, it's going to take time. All right. But this person is coming with communication very fast. So that is something that you need to keep in mind. Now let's take some messages from my Moon Logic card and the Romance Angel to close the reading. And then I'll see you next week. All right. Give me message for Libra, please. Forgiving and learning. Yeah, exactly. I see somebody wants to have forgiveness. They have learned the lesson. Wedding. Is this even a joke? Right now you guys are in separation, but I see that we literally saw that the Hierophant, right? And the star card, it's a wedding card. This too shows that the seed will be planted and it's going to go a very long way. So some of you, I see you will end up with this idiot. And I see some forgiving and learning will happen. Right now you're in separation, but it's going to happen regardless. And I don't want to know, like some people will be like, oh, I don't believe this. Don't believe. I don't care. Who gives a shit? I'm just telling what the cards are telling me. I'm not cooking it up like wedding cards straightforward. What do you want me to tell? And I see secretly you want it as well. So yeah, like what the hell? Alright, let's see message for Libra. A personal issue reaches resolution. So I see this push and pull has been happening between you and this person for some time, but now it's finally reaching a resolution. I see that you guys will be finally having this mutual conversation where you guys will be resolving issues. Yeah, that's about it. It was a very clear-cut message. No if and but this might happen, that might happen. No, it's a very clear-cut message here. So yeah, I'll leave you with that and I will see you next week. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.